This is the elevator at the 14th and Walnut garage in Boulder, Colorado. This is originally an old Dover, but it was modernized by ThyssenKrupp from ABS plastic van resistant buttons. Has an innovation lantern, which is a little interesting and different. Door configuration, two single sliders, one there, one, which is rather odd shape. But before, here we go. Very quiet chime. Bouncy. Here are four. Go back on the ground. It's a basic stainless steel look industrial cab. And dirty, but that's not surprising since this is a public park garage. Mind you, a bunch of buses. This garage is connected to a bus station. You're back at ground. Supposedly that's going to be it.